In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch to the Cloudflare DNS service on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the launcher to open that up and then search for settings. Best result, should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select privacy and security. And then on the right, make sure where it says use secure connections to look up sites, make sure that's toggled to the right. And then where it says select DNS provider, click the drop down and select Cloudflare, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.